Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the future of luxury SUVs with a first look at the all-new DS7 2026. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what a premium crossover can be. Stick around, because you won't want to miss the details on the tech, the design, and the powertrains that are set to redefine this segment. Let's start with the design. The 2026 DS7 is taking bold steps forward with a more dynamic and aggressive stance than ever before. Picture this as sleek hexagonal grille dominating the front, flanked by ultra-slim, piercing headlights that give it a truly fierce look. The profile is more sculpted, and the rear end features jewel-like taillights streamlined for a cleaner, more sophisticated appearance. It's clear DS Automobiles is aiming to turn heads wherever this EFE goes. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, because this is where things get really exciting. The new DS7 will be built on the advanced STLA Medium platform, offering a range of powertrain options. Whether you're into mild hybrids, plug-in hybrids, or fully electric vehicles, DS7 has something for you. And for those of you dreaming about range, how does up to 700 kilometers on a single charge sound? That's right. The electric versions of the DS7 are expected to deliver just that. But it's not just about power, it's also about luxury. Inside, the DS7 is getting a massive overhaul. Expect an interior that competes head-to-head with the likes of Mercedes, BMW, and Audi. Think cutting-edge infotainment, top-tier materials, and a design that's as futuristic as it is comfortable. The DS7 isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. Before we move on to more details, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And don't forget to drop a comment below. What are you most excited about with the new DS7? Is it the design, the tech, or maybe the electric powertrain? I'd love to hear your thoughts. As we wrap up, it's clear that DS Automobiles is pulling out all the stops for the 2026 DS7. Whether you're a fan of luxury, performance, or cutting-edge tech, this EV promises to deliver in spades. Mark your calendars, because the DS7 is set to hit the roads in late 2025, and it's going to be a game changer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.